In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams using a straightforward setup. Integrating these two powerful platforms can significantly enhance your productivity by automating tasks and streamlining your workflow. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, we need to head over to Zapier. Zapier is a fantastic tool that allows you to connect various applications through automated workflows called Zaps. So you'll want to open your browser and log into Zapier at zapier.com. Once you're in, look for the Create Zap option. This is the starting point for building your automation. For our integration, we'll be using ClickUp as our trigger app. This means that an action or event in ClickUp will trigger our Zap to perform a task in Microsoft Teams. After choosing ClickUp as your trigger app, you'll notice several triggers to choose from. Most commonly, users opt for triggers like new task or task updated, which can prompt a follow-up action in Teams whenever a task is either created or modified. Then connect your ClickUp account to Zapier. You'll need to authorize Zapier to access your ClickUp data, which is a simple process guided by instructions displayed on the screen. Next, we need to focus on Microsoft Teams, which will serve as our action app in this integration. As the action app, Microsoft Teams will automatically perform a specified action when Zapier receives a trigger from ClickUp. Common actions in Teams include send channel message or post chat message. Selecting the right action depends on how you want communication to flow between your apps. After deciding on an action, the next step is to connect your Microsoft Teams account with Zapier. Similar to ClickUp, this involves authorizing Zapier so it can interact with your Teams data, ensuring seamless action triggers. Now comes the fun part, customizing and testing your new Zap. Here, you'll be mapping the specific details from the tasks in ClickUp to correspond with your message in Teams. This means deciding what details from the ClickUp task, like task title, description, or due date, you want to appear in the Teams message. After you've set up the customization to your liking, it's time to click Test and Continue. This critical step will let you see a preview of your Zap in action to ensure everything works as you envisioned. If the test shows any issues, it gives you a chance to adjust before rolling it out. Finally, we come to the last but vital step, turning on your Zap. With just a click, you'll activate your automation and voila, you're all set. Your new automated workflow will now run in the background, seamlessly bridging ClickUp and Microsoft Teams, so you can focus on the big picture work without worrying about the ongoing updates or notifications. By following these steps, you can easily integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams, enhancing productivity and communication across your projects. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating.